Hello dear students, in the previous class in fraction and decimal lesson, so we see the definition of fraction and types of fractions. So what do you mean fraction? Fraction is a part of whole number. Okay, so what are the types of fraction? Proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Okay students, all of you know about these types. So today we are going to solve some problems on fraction. Okay, so before going to that, so we can learn about unit fraction, like fraction and unlike fraction. So look here students, so unit fraction. So these are the examples for unit fraction. So see these examples, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 2. So these are the examples of fraction, but this particularly we write these are the unit fraction. So why we call it as unit fraction? So see this numerator of this fraction is equal to 1. Okay, the fraction having the numerator value is equal to 1. Okay, the fraction having the numerator value is equal to 1 is called unit fraction. Okay, next is like fraction. So students, look this example, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. Okay, so we see the numerators is different. All the fractions having the same denominator. Okay, so these are the fractions having the denominator value is equal. So these are the fractions having the equal denominator is called like fractions. Okay, now like fractions na ಗುರುತಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಗಳ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅವನ್ನ like fraction ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So we can have add, subtract, multiply the like fractions easily. Okay, so unlike fractions. So students, look these examples. So 1 by 8, 2 by 7, 5 by 6, 8 by 9. So see all the numerator of this fraction. So 1, 2, 5, 8 are the numerators. Okay, so 8, 7, 6, 9 are the denominators. So is there any similarities? No. So numerators and denominators are different. Okay, so fractions having different numerators and different denominators. The fraction having the value of numerator is different and value of the denominators are different. So ivella enaguttave unlike fraction. Learn about unit fraction, like fraction and unlike fraction. Students, take down the problem on fraction. The first problem is 2 minus 3 divided by 5. So how we can solve this problem? So look here, we have 2 minus 3 by 5. So is there a like fractions? No. So students, we can convert this fraction into like fraction. Okay, look here carefully. So 2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 2 ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, minus 3 divided by 5. So look here, 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. So denominator is 1, this is 5. You can convert this fraction and this fraction into the like fraction. ಈ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 5. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡನ್, we multiply and divided by 5. We can multiply by 5 and divided by 5. Okay, 2 into 5. We can multiply by 5 and 1 into 5 divided by 5 minus 3 divided by 5, right, as it is. So look here students, we can multiply by 5 and divided by 5. Again we cancel 5, we get the same answer. Okay, so next 2 5s are 10 divided by 1 5s are 1 minus 3 divided by 5. So look here students, these fractions having the denominator is same. So we can say these fractions are like fractions. We have the two like fractions. So we can simplify with subtraction. Okay, denominator same iruvaga LCM kuda enagatte same. We take the LCM for the denominator. The LCM is equal to 5. Okay, so we write the numerator as it is. 10 illodi minus 3. Okay, 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 divided by 5. This is the simplified form of this. Okay, all of you understand? Next we come to the second problem. Here 4 plus 7 divided by 8. So these are the like fractions? No. So we can convert these fractions into the like fractions. So what we done here? Here 4 divided by 1 plus 7 by 8. So multiply by 8 and divided by 8. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 8 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆಗೋದು by 8. Okay, 4 into 8 divided by 1 into 8. So that is equal to, so 4 into 8 by 1 into 8 plus 7 by 8, right, as it is. 4 8s are 32 divided by 1 8s are 8 plus 7 by 8. So look here students, the denominator is same. That means these are the like fractions. So LCM is 8. We can write 32 as it is plus 7 because the denominator is same. So we can take 8 is a common or it is a LCM. We write 32 plus 7. 32 plus 7 is 39 divided by 8. So this is a 39 by 8 is a simplified form of 4 plus 7 by 8. Students, the problem is 2 into 2 by 3 plus 3 into 1 by 2. So these are the mixed fractions. So we can simplify this problem. First we convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So how do we convert? Look here, 2 into 2 by 3. So what is mixed fraction? The combination of whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Look here, so 2 3s are 6. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 8 divided by 3 plus 3 into 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2 ಅಂದರೆ 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 divided by 2. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ converted into improper fraction. 8 by 3, 7 by 2 are the improper fraction. Okay, so nodi denominator, the value of denominator is less than the numerator. So these are the examples of improper fraction. We have the denominator is 3, here 2. So we convert this fraction into the like fraction. So the take down the LCM of 3 and 2 is, look here, prime factorization. First we divide by 3, 3 ones are, write 2 as it is. So 2 is not divided by 3. So we can write 2, 2 ones are. We can multiply 3 2s are 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. 6 is a LCM. So look here students, here 3 is a denominator. Okay, we can divide it by the LCM by denominator. Okay, 3 2s are 6. The quotient is 2. 2 into 8 is 16. Look here, 2 into 8 plus, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ 2 ಇಂದ LCMನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 2 3s are 6. 3 ಇಂದ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, 2 3s are 6. ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 3 ಬಂತು. ಇಂಟು ಏನಿದೆ? 7 ಇದೆ. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ, 8 2s are 16 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7 3s are 21 divided by 6. So 21 plus 16, 21 plus 16, 7, 6 plus 1, 7, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, 37. 37 divided by 6. So this is the simplified form of this. Okay students, all of you understand this class? In the next class, we are going to solve another problems on fractions. Okay, thank you.